Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to simplify 2x square minus 18 by x square minus x minus 6 is equals to what? So let's simplify this. So from numerator I am going to take 2 as common. So what is left? X square minus 9 by, and in denominator we can see it's a quadratic equation, so we can solve it by middle term split. So the middle term, that is negative x, we can write negative 3x positive 2x minus 6. Now 9 I can write it as 3 square by x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now in numerator, I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it becomes 2 times x plus 3x minus 3 by. Now from the first two terms of denominator, I can take x as common. So what is left? X minus 3. And if I'll take positive 2x common, so x minus 3. Now write the numerator as same and take x minus 3 common from the denominator. Now we can eliminate x minus 3 from numerator and denominator. So what is left? 2 times x plus 3 by x plus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.